What's up, everybody? It's your boy Asid Tone. First of all, happy Friday. Happy Friday. We gonna jump into this beat. You already know what it is. You already know what I do on Fridays, so we just finna jump into this beat. First thing we got here is the loop, my dog. Let's see what we got here. We got an organ on the next part, just one note. Yeah, real simple. Just got a little bell, just something to fill in the space. You know what I'm saying? Get some texture going in the beat. You know what I'm saying? Something real smooth. You know what I'm saying? You gotta have something real smooth on a guitar. Yeah, I know y'all feeling that right there. Something real groovy, something real slow, you know what I'm saying? We in Texas, dog. You know what I'm saying? You know how we do it in Texas. Just the top end. The low end, we got the kick and we got the 808s. Bruh, tell me you can't swing to that. Just the low end by itself, you could swing to that, bruh. Let's just you know, let's just go ahead and do it. The whole beat, you know what I'm talking about. Bruh. That's how you make another beat, bruh. That's how you do that. That's how you do that. Titled it Durban Poison. Like the strand, if y'all know what Durban Poison is. You know what I'm saying? Leave it in the comments. Like, yo, already know. I can hear Sauce Walka on this. Peso. Really, anybody from Texas, you know what I'm saying? That's just how it is. Just real slow, loud, and banging in Texas. Alright. That's the beat. I hope y'all like this video. If y'all did like it, make sure y'all share it. And y'all like the video, you know what I'm saying? Subscribe to the channel so y'all can see all the videos that I drop like this every Friday. Do not miss out. Do not miss out by pressing the bell. Do not miss out. Press the bell, dog. Just go ahead and press it. So next time I drop a video next week, you can already see it on your timeline or the little home screen on YouTube, whatever the case may be. I don't even know what that's called, the feed screen or whatever. But you're going to see it if you press the bell. So just press that bell. And I'm going to see y'all in the next video. I'm out.